Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Deepshika and in this video we are going to talk about what you are gonna do at the end of this video, even doing right now, judgment. मानो ना मानो यार, we all are judgmental. हम सब लोग जज करते हैं. We judge people on the basis of how they dress up, how they look, how they talk and how they even live their life. But when we judge people on all the basis, why we are scared of being judged? हम लोग judgment से क्यों डरते हैं? I'll explain you this by telling you an actual story. So when I started this YouTube channel, Soul Recipe, I wasn't sure of what I'm gonna speak, what I'm gonna talk about. It was my father's idea and he wanted me to make motivational videos and I wasn't confident about my own self. So when I made my first video, I took like 7 days to actually shoot it. So and 2-3 days to edit it, and because I have been thinking about all the thoughts that people might have. So what I did, I didn't share that video. I posted that video, but I shared it to my father only, and he said it was good. So then he asked me to make another video, and I had to make another video. So from there, I don't know how I got a little bit of confidence in me, but I have been thinking, what took me so long to actually do something? It was the fear of judgment, and there are so many such stories in our day-to-day lives which explains that we have this fear of judgment a lot. We don't express, we don't do stuff because of this. But right now I am posting more and more videos. I'm doing a lot of things that I love because now I know my worth. Now I know where I stand. Now I know where I can work on. I know every effort that I will make me better. And I don't care what people think or say about me until or unless I know my own self. I haven't lost my own judgment, and that's important. That statement that you have heard a lot of times, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Yes, people are supposed to judge you somewhere or another. If you're sitting, they'll judge you. If you're doing something, they'll judge you. In fact, we all are the consequences of what people said to us since ever. But that doesn't mean that we should not express yourself, that we should not stop ourselves doing something what we love or change the way we are. We should listen to everybody because at times we are wrong. And by listening to everybody, by listening to every judgment, we get to know about our points where we can improve. And this is called positive judgment, when we take those judgments and improve our own self. So if somebody is not able to express themselves because of what people say about them, it's because of their self-confidence. One thing that you need to work on is your self-confidence. Be confident about your own abilities. Be confident about yourself, and you will get rid of the fear of judgment eventually. Because we have to understand that we are capable of amazing things. If we know what we are good at, if we know what our setbacks are, it will not affect us what people think or say about us. Be confident about your abilities and know your own weaknesses more than anybody else. If you become truly aware of your own attributes, your vulnerabilities and your strengths, the judgments, the impressions will become totally irrelevant, because it's about you harnessing your own qualities and owning up to them. You're supposed to make yourself a priority. You are the expert on your life. तुमसे ज़्यादा तुम्हें कोई नहीं जानता. Acknowledge what you're good at by exploring yourself and doing what you love, and own up to the things that you're not. Let go of any urge of being perfect. It's all just a setup. Prioritize your personal needs and stop people from taking control of how you feel about yourself. Remember, it's about you improving yourself. It's about how you feel about yourself. It's about what's your judgment about yourself. If you know about yourself, if you are sure about yourself, you're confident enough, it doesn't matter what people say or think about you. Let go of all the judgments. Let be there, all the judgments. Be yourself, do what you love, and keep doing the good work. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.